In the latest, the West Bengal governor has also taken note of the shocking incident. The West Bengal governor, C.V. Ananda Bose, has sought a report from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on the public flogging of the couple in Chopra. Let's go across to my colleague Adrija, joining us on the broadcast. Adrija, there were shockwaves over this video where a couple, a woman in particular, is being beaten up in this mob justice. Now the governor taking note of the same and seeking a report from the Chief Minister.
Absolutely, you see this unfortunate incident has unfolded where we are seeing that a group of people in a village in North Bengal, in North Dinajpur, is ganging up and beating up a man and a woman. Now, the person in the video who is seen to be beating up these two people is a close associate of the TMC MLA from that particular area, from Chopra in North Dinajpur, and he also, happens to be a part of the TMC, and that is why this entire outrage is broken out when the opposition parties in West Bengal slamming Mamata Banerjee government once again for, such medieval age tactics being used even today. In fact, the left and the BJP have also come out and have said that this is another, part of the Sandesh Khali incident that has happened earlier. Even the National Women's Commission have taken notice of this entire incident. The accused have, however, been arrested by the local police station after they registered a suo motu case in the matter. But yes, now a new development where the governor has also sought for a report in this matter.
Okay, all right. So the governor is seeking a report in this matter. The governor has written to Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in this regard. Adrija, has there been any word from the TMC? Yes, the TMC did say that action is being initiated. They said that the man in question has been arrested. But there's also a TMC MLA who has justified the kind of mob justice that we're seeing out on the streets. This is what led to the political questions being raised on whether this is acceptable. Why is it that the Chief Minister, why aren't the top leaders of the TMC coming out to condemn this?
Well, absolutely. You see, the TMC have come out and have mentioned that this act was heinous and they condemned it at the same time and have assured that all necessary actions will be taken. They have also said that the accused have been arrested as of now and has been charged with several sections of IPC, including and section of 307, which means the attempt to murder. And TMC have said that they are condemning this entire action. However, the controversial statement that was released by the TMC MLA from that area, he have in fact gone ahead. He have also accepted the wrongdoing, but have gone ahead and villainized the victim itself. He have said that the women was involved in certain anti-social activities, and therefore the people of the village have come together and have called for a justice, for a speedy justice, and this is the way they have delivered the justice. This was done by the villagers. That is what the MLA have mentioned.
Okay.
And TMC party had nothing to do with it. They did not have any instruction from the TMC party to commit such a heinous act.
Well, this